Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Teams channel tabs for project checklists step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the team where you want to configure channel tabs. Select the correct channel where your project checklist will reside. Click on the plus icon at the top of the channel to add a new tab. Choose the type of tab you want to create for your checklist. Options typically include SharePoint, Planner, or a website. If you select Planner, enter your new plan's name in the dialog box that appears. Click on Save to create the new Planner tab. If you are using SharePoint, enter the URL of the SharePoint page that contains your checklist. Click Save to set up the SharePoint tab. For a website tab, fill in the required URL of the checklist tool you want to integrate. Name your new tab accordingly and click Save. Once your tab is added, access it to set up your project checklist. For Planner, click on plus New Task to add your checklist items individually. Set due dates, assignees, and labels for each task as needed. For SharePoint, create a checklist using the built-in web parts if you need a more visual approach. If you're using a website tool, customize any settings within that application as needed. Make sure all team members are aware of the new tab and can access it easily. Encourage your team to update the checklist regularly for effective project tracking. Review the configuration periodically to ensure it meets the project's evolving needs. That concludes the step-by-step process for configuring Teams channel tabs for project checklists. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.